Action, guys, from Morrison. Well, I need to do this video, guys, just to give you a report about what's happened with the Morrison International. They shut down my channel with no reason. Okay? This is the kind of dittatura that we have in Italy right now. If you talk about some subject, the Italian government, they shut down your channel straight away. I opened a new channel now. I used to call him Morrison Freedom because I love to see people that can enjoy the freedom, and the channel will be only in English. Okay, I will not download the material in Italian. Will be only in English. Okay. The idea to open the channel will talk about Illuminati, shit Illuminati. Who is the owner of the war at the moment? The owner is called, there is a name, they call organization Bilderberg. Okay, there are two families, Rockefeller and the other one, Rothschild as another family, anyway. They are taking control about everything in the war. If you have any kind of doubt, you can download the list of a Bilderberg meeting around the war, and you can see that any kind of name that you see in the list of Bilderberg, you will see that now he's working the top position around the war. Is like Prime Minister in UK, or the Prime Minister in Germany, or in Italy, etc, etc, etc. It's quite easy, you know, for the beginner, it's quite easy. If you want to know who is the owner, there is only one name, they call Bilderberg. Okay, Bilderberg Organization. It's the only organization where you cannot take photo, that you cannot do interview, that you cannot go with the camera, you know, there is a plenty of police, helicopter, a lot of stuff, okay? Because they take decision about the future of the war. I'll give you an example. In Italy now, just a few weeks ago, they shut down everything. They do like a meeting, important meeting with all the top level position of Bilderberg. Okay, just they are taking decision about the future of Italian people. It's quite sad. We have a parliament, but they don't give a shit about the parliament. They are organizing everything from other politicians that come from Europe. You cannot do anything about to change the future of Italy, because they already write down the future of Italy. It will be the new Greece, like Greece. You know, the economy will collapse very soon because they shut down everything. Restaurant, pub, gym, everything, and now the economy is going down. Just to remember that Italy is one of the first place in the world about taxation. You pay 70%, 70% in taxation if you want to open a business. But they tried to kill the economy a few years ago just to put in more taxes, limitation, change the population with a lot of emigrati, like you know, they used to send a ship for plenty with the emigrati just to change the population. You know, they want to remove the religion, they will change everything, because the plan for this kind of politicians to destroy the past of Italy and to change with the new generation, with the new world order generation. Okay, remove the religion and just create a new world order that where is the boss is how to call, is the devil, is not God, is a devil. Okay, this is what's going on in Italy right now. It's quite sad to say it. I'm very lucky because I don't live in Italy. Okay, I live in Canary Islands at the moment. I'll change it very soon because I'm not safe anymore. Because when you talk about this subject, I can tell you they shut down my channel, they close, they remove the subscription, they remove the view. They are putting a lot of limitation. Like the same stuff that happened to David Icke, Alex Jones, the same stuff is happening to me right now. Okay, but the reason why I won't do video in English, just to inform more people. Okay, sorry about my English because it's already 4 years that I don't speak English. I used to live in London before, another satanic place, another Massoneria place. And I think that I can tell you in Italy now, the people that's taking control, they call Massoneria. Massoneria is like Bilderberg, it's an secret organization. Also, if they say the list is public, anyway. And the top position that you see in this list, in the Massoneria, they are taking control about everything. About hospital, about politician, about court, everything. You cannot do nothing about it. This is the sad thing. Probably you know that in Hong Kong they put a new law, like a new fascist law. The people cannot complain. They just shut up and just you need to follow the rules about the new regulation. The sad thing, guys, the world is changing very fast and is going in very bad direction. Probably it's time to open our mind, to inform our friend about what is going on. They won't put vaccine to everybody. You know, the OMS, like of Bill Gates. Bill Gates, we used to call castrata cats. For me, Bill Gates. They will put vaccine to everybody, and for my opinion, the vaccine will help to decrease the number of the population. Probably, I don't know which stuff they will put inside your body, but this is what I think about what is going on right now. Please open your mind, believe only in yourself, spread these words, inform your friends, but the world will go in few years in a very bad direction. Probably it's time to pray God, okay? Because like you can see, the people that are taking control about the world, they are criminal, okay? Only few politicians can save the world, just say the truth. But if you see, for example, Donald Trump is still talking about coronavirus, how to call mosquito virus, and I don't trust anymore nobody, including Donald Trump. I was a fan of Donald Trump, but he's still, for me, he's still lying, because he knows the truth about coronavirus, but he's still, talk about we are doing great America again, etc, etc. He's talking about all the politics stuff. And the sad thing is that you remember when Hillary Clinton, the previous 4 years, oh, when I will win you will go to jail, etc, etc, etc. After 4 years, Hillary Clinton is still a free woman, okay? And now I used to call Obamagate, a lot of Obamagate, blah 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 blah. For me, when we will win, he will do nothing about it, okay? Did the sad thing. We are living, guys, in a new world order. Welcome the new world order. It's sad to say, but this will be the direction where we are going right now. We need just to pray God probably to save our soul, okay, and our body as well. Thank you for watching from Horizon.